everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my crab salad, guys. That's one of my favorite, guys. It's really easy to make, it's really quick, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Please stay with your girl. Alright guys, that's everything we're gonna need to make the crab salad, guys. We're gonna need some mayo. I'm trying to focus. The kids making so much noise. We're gonna need some onion, guys. We're gonna need some crab meat, guys. Instead of the imitation crab meat, guys, you guys welcome to use it if you want. But I'm gonna use the real crab meat instead, guys. We're gonna need some parsley, guys. We're gonna need some lemon, and we're gonna need some green pepper. And if you guys want, you guys can add like red pepper, yellow pepper if you guys want, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. That's everything I'm gonna use to make the salad crab. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my crab meat and I'm gonna put it in a bowl and I'll show it to you guys how I do it. Alright guys, now what I did, guys, I just opened the crab and I put it in the bowl, guys. What you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you chop it, guys. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my onion. I already cut it. Add it to it. That's my parsley, guys, and that's my green pepper. We're just gonna put all of them together. Alright guys, I add all of them in the bowl. Now what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing, it's really easy, guys, and it's really fast. And what I'm gonna do now, I have my lemon, guys. I already cut it. I'm gonna add some lime juice. Can you be quiet, please? Do that. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, now we're gonna add our mayo. You guys can use any type of mayo, guys. I'm just gonna put 3 big spoons. Let's see. It smells so good, guys. You being greedy? Yes. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my Creole season. I'm gonna put a little bit. And if you guys want, you guys can add hot sauce if you guys want it to be spicy. But when I cook like that, I don't want it to be too spicy for my kids. I'm gonna put a little bit, let me show you, of Cajun season, guys. And of course, we're gonna need a little bit of black pepper. Alright. Let me just make sure all of them. Let me taste it a little bit, guys. When you're cooking, guys, you can taste it a little bit to make sure everything is good. Now I'm gonna taste it a little bit to see.
It tastes.
It tastes real good. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Creole season, guys. Let me show it to you. It's good. And it's with real crab, guys. You guys can do it with the imitation crab, guys. Again, I prefer using real crab. A little bit of lemon juice again.
Mama, lemon juice, can you just taste it?
It's good. Real good.
Alright, I'm gonna taste.
You need to wet, baby.
Alright.
Alright, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the plate, guys, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's pretty much done and it tastes really good, guys. I will show it to you. Alright, guys. What I did, guys, I just add the crab salad, guys, on the plate, and I have some crackers, guys. I add next to it, guys, and again, you guys can eat it with anything you guys want, but I love eating it with the crackers, guys, and it tastes so good, guys. It's easy. It's really easy to make. And again, if you guys want to know how to make it with the imitation crab instead of the real crab, guys, you guys feel free to comment, and I will do another video, guys, to show you guys how to make it. And please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video.